Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie. Today I'll be sharing with you the full growth of the Hydrangea Magical Candle in the garden for its first season. The Hydrangea Magical Candle is a beautiful hydrangea that is hardy from zones 3 to 9, grows about 4 to 5 feet tall, and flowers from around midsummer to fall. This can be exposed to full sun and does well in a container or right there in your garden. This was first planted in March 2021. So many buds forming all over the plant. It is really a reliable bloomer. The cool thing about the magical candle is that because it flowers on new growth, during early springtime you can cut it back to about 6 inches from the ground. Then you will see some strong new shoots coming out that will be able to hold up those large blooms that the magical candle sends out. This is the Hosta Patriot, which makes a beautiful companion for the magical candle. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!